asuntoskeittiö Harjun puisto.
That was also really amazing today on the 10th of July 2023. It's completely impossible to get inside here. It's on Harjukatu 32 staircase B, but there's also the staircases A and C here to be filmed as soon as we can. It was built in 1955, turned 65 years old in 2020, and the same price is 6217. 6 was, but these buttons are quite special, so it's something that was changed, but
yeah,
still 3 rides.
It's
going to be expected in 2024, the next year. Even though the the doors to the staircases were they were replaced around 1990, but the silhouettes were still completely original almost.
Yeah.
Because these 4 pairs are 320
Yeah, and buttons that are still MPN4, but the panel is strange.
Yeah. It's here in Lahti. Lahti's Finland. This was one of the most important ones that we had not yet filmed.
Yeah.
Maybe the most important ones. But we'll see. But also, I need to film the Grand Brothers side too.
Jos me tiippaakin vai, mutta meitä ei pääs on niissä surakointi.
Empty.
Yeah.
Yes. I would also like to do the floor indicator after the third ride.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can do it. Because it deserves to be done.
Yeah.
Oh, this maybe the panel was changed around 1990, but
yeah.
has that floor indicator with the circle in the middle. It's rare.
Yeah.
And then you can do floor indicator for me.
Yeah.
Or it's broken.
That's